Hi, I'm John from Baumgardt's Auto Repair. Today I'm going to tell you about the Gearwrench bolt biter screw extractor set. Nice set, comes in a rugged plastic case, all self-contained and easily identified from the other cases that you've got in your box with the high-vis orange and clearly marked Gearwrench on the front of it. The set comes with 5 extractors and also 5 drill bits. The drill bits are good quality bits. They've worked well in aluminum and in various types of steel, and they've continued to remain sharp. Now the extractors, some things that I like about them is there's 8 points of contact there, which gives you a good solid bite on whatever you're trying to remove. And this type of extractor lets you work to the right or to the left so that you can really work the broken fastener back and forth to be able to get it to come loose. Another thing that I do really like is they have a hex head on the end of it instead of the square head that most extractors have, that you can never really find a socket that grips it well and be able to work the extractor good. The set says that it is usable with both hand tools and power tools, but it says not to use impact tools on it. So that's something to keep in mind. But overall, this is a great set. I've been using it for a while now and am very happy with it. Thank you.